All right, peeps, here we are. We are going to do another precision landing test today. I've been getting a lot of comments, and I've seen comments on other videos about that you cannot do a precision landing on the grass because it doesn't work as well. Something about the grass that affect the precision landing function on the Fimi X8 SE. So I'm in my cul-de-sac. There's my house right there. And I'm in my neighborhood, and I am going to do a precision landing test and see how accurate it is on concrete. All right, guys, we're ready to take it off, and then we'll see our results. All right, we have the drone on the return to home function. This coming back now, still about 500 feet away. All right, it's coming back now. Still about 40 feet in the air. Look like it's not too far off. Let's see if it's going to make some adjustments. There you have it, folks. It only missed it a couple inches. Maybe a half a foot if you're going to be on the mat completely. All right, we're going to send it off again and give it another try. Give it one more test. All right, we're going to send it off for the second time. We'll let it hover for a minute. And we'll send it on up.